This is the EchoRox waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Hi, Dan from Gear Diary, and today we're going to take a look at the EchoRox waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Yes, it's waterproof. This is the speaker. It is really small. You can see how small it is. It has a very noticeable color, a very sturdy build to it, and it has some really nice features. First off, on the back, you've got this loop here that will allow you to use the enclosed carabiner to clip it onto any surface you want, and it won't go anywhere. Here on the back, when you lift this up, you get the auxiliary in 3.5 millimeter jack, so you can actually have a wired connection to your music source, and you've got the micro USB charging port. Sealing that up and going around to the front of the speaker, you actually have nothing except for the grill. Here on the bottom, you've got a standard tripod mount, so you can actually put this on a tripod or a monopod. You can put it on a Joby GorillaPod or a similar small tripod, and since the Joby actually has magnetic feet, you could actually put it on the Joby and then connect it magnetically and hang it off any metal surface. Kind of a cool feature. Here on the top, you've got this nice little grill and you've got the controls. You've got power, Bluetooth pairing, volume down, volume up, track back, track forward, pause, play, and call. This will function as a speakerphone as well as a Bluetooth speaker for listening to music. Now the key here is that the EchoRox, which by the way has an MSRP of $129.99, is IPX7 waterproof. It is fully submersible in water. We've seen a lot of speakers that are water resistant, but very few that are waterproof. And the ones that I've personally checked out that are waterproof are horrible. We'll get back to whether or not this one falls in that category. It is rugged. It is, as we said, waterproof, and it even will float. So if you are using this in a boat and you drop it in the water, it's actually not going to sink like a rock. It's going to float like a Bluetooth speaker that floats. So there are two speakers in here, and they pump out 6 watts of sound. You can connect any smartphone, tablet, or laptop you want, either through Bluetooth or using the auxiliary in. And it has a top-mounted bass radiator here to give it bigger sound. The top control panel, let's talk about that for 1 second. I really like the fact that to turn it on, it's a simple push. It's not push and hold for 5 seconds till it comes on. You can hear it, and the same thing goes for pairing. It is a tactile button. Push it, it clicks, it's on. Push it, it clicks, it's off. None of this hold it, maybe it's going to turn on, maybe it's not. No, it turns on and off. It's easy to use, which you want in a rugged speaker you're going to use outside. The battery inside is an 1800 milliamp hour battery. It will give you up to 10 hours of play or talk time. So you actually can get this and have it work for you all day long. So how does this $129.99 speaker sound? I was actually really pleasantly surprised at how good the sound coming out of this is. It's not a big speaker, and a lot of times companies are focused on the ruggedized aspects of the speaker and they don't pay attention to the audio quality. This actually puts out amazingly large sound for its size, and it's really good sound for its size. So is this the best Bluetooth speaker on the market? I don't know if it's the best, but it's certainly up there with the ones in this price range that I have really liked. This is the EchoRox Bluetooth speaker. It has an MSRP of $129.99. This is Dan from Gear Diary. Thanks very much for watching.